Welcome back to the M&E Foundation audiobook series. In episode 1, we introduced monitoring and evaluation. Today, we will examine how they differ and how they support each other. Consider an institution that trains 100 employees to use a new digital system. Monitoring asks how many employees attended, how many completed the training, were all modules delivered, was the activity completed on time and within budget? Evaluation asks, was the training relevant to employee and institutional needs? Was it coherent with other capacity development and digital transformation initiatives? Did employees achieve the intended competencies? Were resources and time used efficiently? What significant changes resulted from the training? Are those changes likely to continue? The first difference is focus. Monitoring focuses on implementation progress. Evaluation examines relevance, coherence, effectiveness, efficiency, impact, and sustainability, together with the explanations and evidence behind the findings. The second difference is timing. Monitoring occurs continuously during implementation. Evaluation is undertaken at selected points, before an intervention, at midterm, at completion, or after completion. The third difference concerns the questions asked. Monitoring asks, what is happening? How much has been completed? Are we on schedule? What is the difference between the target and actual performance? Evaluation asks, was the intervention relevant? Was it coherent with related interventions and policies? Was it effective? Were resources used efficiently? What intended or unintended impacts occurred? Are the benefits sustainable? The fourth difference is the use of information. Monitoring information supports day-to-day management and corrective action. Evaluation findings support deeper decisions, such as whether an intervention should be continued, redesigned, expanded, or discontinued. Monitoring and evaluation are not competitors. Good monitoring provides the evidence required for good evaluation. Without baselines, targets, and implementation records, evaluators may lack the evidence needed to assess its performance. Evaluation also strengthens monitoring by identifying indicators that do not adequately capture important results. Monitoring shows that 90 of the targeted 100 employees completed training, 90% achievement. Evaluation finds that only 40 employees consistently apply the new skills at work. Monitoring has identified implementation performance. Evaluation has identified a gap between training completion and application of learning. Management may respond with coaching, job aids, or supportive supervision. Write 2 questions about one workplace intervention. Make the first a monitoring question, beginning with how many, how much, or to what extent has implementation progressed. Make the second an evaluation question, beginning with why, what changed, or to what extent did the intervention produce the intended results. Visit the Community tab and identify the evaluation question. How many people were trained? How much money was spent? Was the activity completed on time? Or did the training improve employee performance? If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to John Mwingira Academy. Please also share this audiobook with colleagues and others who want to strengthen their monitoring and evaluation knowledge and competence. I am Mr. John Mwingira. Learn, apply, improve.